Welcome, everyone is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm gonna use the home screen as an example. So let's go to the second page though. And from here all you need to do is press power key, volume down, and hold it for about a second, and there we go, we get this animation right now. That's for the first part, first time you do it. Now as you've seen, there is also slide down for a scrollable one, which is only accessible if you have scrollable content. So let's just try to open something. I can do settings, that's a good scrollable place. So you're gonna hold the same keys, slide down, there we go. Let's just tap on allow, and it becomes scrolling. Tap on it whenever you want to finish it, and you can see you have now a fairly big image that you can basically, well, it's scrollable. You can also crop it to whatever you want. As you can see, now it cut it a little bit, so whatever. But once you satisfy whatever you selected, because you can, like I said, crop it here, you can tap on save and it will become saved. And both of the images that I have captured will be in the gallery now. So let's allow everything. We can go to albums where we should have screenshots folder, there we go. So there's the cropped one, then there's the super long one, and just the home screen itself. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.